So over here you can see that I have a storyboard panel, and what I'm going to do now is take a brush right here and increase out the size, and then let me just draw around right here. So this is going to be the first panel right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around, add in a new scene right here and select out another color over here, and then just draw out something randomly right here. And you can see that this particular panel has a certain timing again. So if I were to go around and press the plus button again, I can go around and select out another color and then draw out like this. So over here, you can see that each of the panel right here has its own timing. And you can adjust out the timing by clicking on a panel and by clicking and dragging a panel right here, as you can see. So this is what you can do. You can go around, click and drag this out over here. And similarly, you can go around and click and drag out a panel right here, as you can see right here. Similarly, I'm going to go around, add in another one over here as well. Another way to actually go around and then resize the time of the panel is by going on to the panel itself when a particular panel is selected. And right now it's 1 second, as you can see. So you can go around, type in 3 seconds and press enter. And the panel gets expanded to 3 seconds, as you can see right here. You can also view the frame at which the length of the pan timeline is. So you can go around, decrease this right here per frame right here, or increase this out according to how you like over here as well. So over here, if I were to go on to the beginning and if I were to click and drag this, then you can see that when I actually resize this, everything else right here, so all of the panels on on the right side actually resizes. And sometimes I don't want that, especially when a timing is fixed. So in that case, what you can do is you can hold Alt on your keyboard right here and click and drag, and you can see that you can resize out a panel right here, and the other panel just besides it resizes along with it as well. So if I were to hold Alt right here, you can see that it does not affect any other panels right here when I resize. Unless I don't hold Alt, you can see that it affects everything. But if I were to hold Alt, you can see that I can resize out one panel and the other panel follows and then resizes accordingly to fit in a particular area, as you can see right here. Hold Alt, click and drag, and you can see that the panel at the end, it does not actually change out the timing. And that is how you can set timings of panels in different ways inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.